First of all, you have to write your quadratic equation in standard form. Can anyone tell me what is the standard form for a quadratic equation? Anyone?
A square plus bx plus c equals to 0.
The purpose of writing your equation in standard form is to identify the coefficients of x square, x, and the constant term. So you could write down that you're comparing your given equation with the equation in standard form and write down what are the values for A, B, and C. A, B, and C are the coefficients of x square, coefficient of x, and the constant term respectively. For example, if your equation is 3x square plus 2 equals to 5x, let us see. If this is the equation given to you, the first step will be to write this in the standard form. Standard form, bring all terms on left-hand side, right-hand side should be 0. Put the terms in decreasing order of their powers. So you have 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. You can compare this with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And then write down what are the values of a, b, and c. Coefficient of x square is 3. Take the sign along. Coefficient of x represented by b is minus 5. And then the constant term represented by c is 2. Then you have to find out discriminant. Discriminant represented by capital T. The value is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant actually gives you a relation between the coefficients and the constants. ये जो आपकी equation में a, b, c है. Relation between them based on the value of the discriminant, you can write down whether or not your quadratic equation can be solved. If it can be solved, how many solutions it will have, what type of solutions it will have. Now, considering the same example, calculate the value of the discriminant, b square minus 4ac. So this comes out to be 1. Finally, you can find out the roots if they exist. I'm going to help just write down a note afterwards. How do you know whether or not the roots exist? Agar roots exist karte hain, what will be their values? Since it's quadratic formula, direct hum formula apply karenge in order to find out the answer. You don't have to work out splitting anything. आपको कुछ नहीं सोचना, आपको बस ये फॉर्मूले के साथ वर्क करना है. इक्वेशन को लिखा आपने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में, एबीसी को आइडेंटिफाई किया, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड किया, and then we find out the roots if they exist. To find out the roots, the formula is negative b plus minus square root of the discriminant. In the denominator, you have 2a. There are two roots indicated here. माइनस बी, ये जो सेंटर में साइन है, एक बार आपको प्लस साइन लेना है और एक बार आपको माइनस साइन लेना है. And if I take the example, just let me know if you have done the first two steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who's still writing down step 1 and step 2? For the same example, the discriminant came out to be 1. If we had to find out the roots for this quadratic equation, roots are actually the value of the variable. तो x की हमारे पास यहाँ से values निकल जाएंगी by using this formula. If you want, we can write the formula first and then put the values. Negative b की value -5 plus minus square root of the discriminant. आपने discriminant find out किया है 1 over 2 multiplied with a. The value of a is 3. When you substitute these values here, as you can see, discriminant आपका square root के अंदर आ रहा है. This can only be simplified if it is a whole number. Sorry, if it is a non-negative number. Tell me if that makes sense. जब आप roots find करने की कोशिश करते हो, I have written if they exist only then you will find out your answer. जब आप root find करते हो, जो formula आपने use करना है roots के लिए, square root of d आता है वहां पे. Square root of d means अगर square root के अंदर negative value हुई तो आप काम नहीं कर सकते. Tell me if I'm right. Everyone should be aware of this. Square root के अंदर अगर negative value है आप नहीं solve कर सकते उसको. Keeping that in mind, you can tell me in which scenario there will be no roots.
A is
अगर
less than
आपका
0.
if your discriminant is negative,
less than 0.
if the discriminant is less than 0. तो अगर आपका discriminant negative है, आपके पास zeros नहीं exist करेंगे, फिर आपको third step करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can directly write down that the equation given to you does not have any roots. If the discriminant is non-negative, 0 or positive, if the discriminant is non-negative, only then you will proceed with the third step. And this is something we will be writing down in the note. Other than that, this is just a simple fact जो आपको वैसे ही पता होना चाहिए. अगर आपके डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आ गई, स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर जब आपको माइनस वाली वैल्यू नजर आ रही है, दैट मींस you cannot work ahead. आप उससे आगे proceed नहीं कर सकते. You can just write there that there will be no roots. From this step, you can simplify and obtain the two answers. Students prefer to separate right here or work out the answer first. I'm just keeping it together. 5 plus minus 1, square root of 1 is 1. And then you have 5 plus 1 divided by 6, 5 minus 1 divided by 6. So 6 by 6 and 4 by 6, simplifying 1 and 2 by 3, these are the roots. Tell me if this is clear. Anyone with questions here? आपका first question जो है वो यही है exercise का. You have to work with your discriminant in order to find out the roots. यही steps करने हैं आपने. Equation को standard form में लिखना है, ABC identify करनी है, discriminant निकालना है. अगर discriminant negative है तो आपकी equation के roots exist नहीं करेंगे. अगर discriminant 0 है या फिर positive है, you proceed to the third step and find out the roots by using this formula. Remember, इस formula से आपको 2 roots मिलेंगे and it's completely possible कि वो जो दोनों answers आएंगे वो equal आ सकते हैं. Those who have already done, I think they can tell which scenario gives you equal roots.
A equals to 0.
D equals to 0. ये जो square root वाली value है, square root D, जो हम plus minus कर रहे हैं. If it is 0, you will be left with minus B over 2A only. In that case, you have 2 equal roots. Let's just write this in the form of a note before we take up questions. Nature of roots simply means what are the types of roots. द रीजन बीइंग जो आपकी रूट्स की वैल्यू है वो इस तरह से निकालते हैं हम, ये फॉर्मूला है। तो अगर आपके पास यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर नेगेटिव वैल्यू होगी, इट कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व इन रियल नंबर्स, यू कैन नॉट सॉल्व इट। And when you have equal roots, this is what you will have. तो आपके पास जो दो रूट्स आएंगे वो यही आएंगे। You add 0, you subtract 0. In either case, the answer will be minus b over 2a. Tell me if you have written this.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, done.
Keep in mind, other than the quadratic formula itself, where you are asked कि आपको equation solve करनी है with the help of quadratic formula, वो तो direct question है. This is also important where you are asked to find out what type of roots are there which exist for a quadratic equation. तो उसमें सिर्फ आपको discriminant निकालना है. If they ask to find the roots, you will find them. But simply ये question आ जाता है, what type of roots does the equation have? तो आप discriminant find out करके फिर बताते हो. Based on the same concept, यहाँ पे जब हम discriminant के साथ work कर रहे हैं, question can be for what value of any of the missing coefficients. The equation will have real roots, equation will have no roots. Simply, आपके पास यहाँ पे 3 situations लिखी गई हैं. First situation जब discriminant positive है, आपके पास 2 distinct real roots exist करते हैं. Second scenario where the discriminant becomes 0, the equation will have 2 equal real roots. The third one where your discriminant is negative, the equation does not have any roots. So इसको अगर हम sum up करें, the equation will have roots if your discriminant is equal to 0 or greater than 0. ये जो first 2 conditions हैं इनको combine करके, if you want you can mark it for yourself. ये वाली situations में equation के root exist करते हैं. They could be distinct or they could be equal. This is the only condition equation has no roots. अगर आप condition लिख रहे हो equation के लिए, equation will have roots, तो आपको ये दोनों conditions लिखनी है, equal to 0, greater than 0. If they specify 2 equal real roots, तो आप discriminant equal to 0 लेते हो. अगर वो कह रहे हैं distinct real roots, तो आप first condition लोगे. Just look at the words in the question. Equation has roots, equation has equal roots, equation has 2 distinct real roots. You will know it when you will do questions. आपकी textbook में बहुत थोड़े से questions हैं. So I will try to discuss extra questions at the end of the chapter. Right now, let's continue with 4.3. Question number 2, you have to solve all 4 parts of question number 1 using the quadratic formula. Let's start with the first one. Compare it with the standard form. Identify ABC, find out the discriminant. See if we will be able to proceed to step 3. Sorry, this is the second part. This is the first step. We compare the given equation with the standard form, identify A, B, C. Next step is to find out the discriminant. Just observing what type of answer I have obtained. Discriminant आपका किस तरह का आया है? You can tell me if we should proceed to the step third.
Yes, ma'am.
Finding the roots. Remember जब आप roots लिख रहे हो तो variable की values आपको बतानी है. तो जो भी variable दिया हुआ है equals to what will be its values? Negative b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. You can write down for yourself. There will be two distinct real roots. Using the values negative, -7. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा carefully substitute करना. एक negative already formula में है और जो b है उसकी value भी negative है. And then simplify further. Plus minus square root of your discriminant. In the denominator you have to multiply it with 2. 7 plus minus 5 over 4. From here you can now separate the two values. 7 plus 5 over 4, 7 minus 5 over 4. What are your answers?
3 and 1 by 2.
3 and 1 by 2. This is your answer. I hope you will be able to work out the answer for the other three parts. In case the discriminant is negative, you don't have to find out the value of your variable. You can write there that since the discriminant is negative, your equation will have no real roots. This will be your homework. We will continue tomorrow. And just a heads up, beta revise कर लेना. आपको 2 दिन का time इसीलिए दिया गया है. We could have conducted the oral test a day like earlier. हम कल भी ले सकते थे. Revise once, and it could be anyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.